Okay, Terminal 3 going to Palawan. Landing na Palawan Airport.
Once again po, mayad nga timprano kanindong tanan. So by the way, ma'am sir, my name po is Ian. But since I have dual personality po, that's Ian po in the morning, Marian po sa gabi. Yes. But please call me Marian. That's highly appreciated. May kasama pong tumbling at split later on. Yes. Abangan niyo po sa pagbaba natin mamaya. So ma'am sir, I will going to be po your licensed tour guide for today. And of course, our very handsome tour captain for today. Say hi po to Kuya Jeric naman.
Hi Kuya Jeric.
So Kuya Jeric naman po will going to be our tour captain for your city tour for today. First time po ba lahat in Puerto Princesa? First time? May nanggaling na po ba before? Wala pa, first time lahat? Okay, for those who are first timer po, mayad nga pag-abot digi sa syudad, iyang Diyos nga buwi, or should I say that's welcome. So welcome po to the City of the Living God. That's Puerto Princesa City. So yun po yung aming tagline sa Puerto Princesa. So City of the Living God, City in the Forest. Okay, so as part po of your tour itinerary for today, as what I mentioned po a while ago, so bali walong destination po tayo for today. So first destination po will going to be Crocodile Farm. So after that po, next will going to be Mitras Ranch. So we also have Butterfly Garden, Baker's Hill, Puerto Princesa City Baywalk, Immaculate Conception Cathedral, Plaza Cuartel, then Palayong Park. So bali walo po, including na yung ating mga pasalubong center. So but for the meantime, ma'am sir, unahin po natin yung pinaka farthest destination, which is the Crocodile Farm. So approximately po, that's around 15 to 20 minutes away from here. So
Palawan Wildlife. Wala ba mas malaki? Gusto ko mas malaki. Next destination, yes. Baker Hill. Ramon Mitra Sr. Yung bahay daw niya, Senator. Badyaw Seafood Restaurant. After Senator, kain na daw. Okay, oh. Palawan. Yun, no? Yun na tayo, yun. Ito yung pulo. Yan. namin for today. Day 2. Yan, sa Palawan. Dito na kami sa port. Makakapunta na kami sa snorkeling. May kasama kaming sirena kaya hindi kami mag-aalala.
Suffers rain na.
Destination Luli. Luli Island. Bakit Luli? Lulubog lilit ako. Nag-init ko sa Luli. Dito kami sa
Luli.
Luli. Bakit Luli?
Parang ikaw lulubog lilita.
Lulubog lilita.
Parang jowa mo, lulubog lilita.
Rar! Rar! Tignan mo yung likod natin.
Ganda ng view.
Ganda ng view. Dagat. Galing nga.
Maganda.
Ayan! Dito na kami sa second destination.
Ambato Coral Reef.
Ambato Coral Reef. Yun o. Welcome, Ambato Reef. Yun o.
Oo nga, yun ang nga. Oh, ang dami pala yan.
Okay, third destination, Kauri Island. Kauri Island. Kauri Island. Up. Ganda dito eh, no? Okay.
Pero kailangan mo isang
Okay, Kauri.